Hey, welcome back to Charged Up Cooked. My name is Tom. Today we're doing an easy dinner, chuck eye steak with a baked potato and then an egg on top. So let's get started. All right, I got my grill behind me, my Napoleon 500 Pro heated up. We're going to get these steaks on there. I went ahead and seasoned them with some meat church, Blanco, and some Texas sugar. All right, let's give those steaks a look. I'm going to go ahead and give them a quick turn. Just gave them a quick turn. So I'm looking for a temperature about 130, 135. 135 is the maximum. So we're going to let those go a little bit. All right, I'm going to check those steaks, see what temperature we got. But we're almost there. We're about 115, 120. So like I said, I'm looking for 130, 135. These are chuck eye, sister to ribeye. Ribeye is my favorite. What do you guys like? What's the best steak? Let me know. I appreciate it. All right, those steaks are really close. So I'm going to shut everything down and let them rest. All right, I'm going to do a couple eggs right here. Get our heat on. I'm going to do a little bit of butter inside of here. Let that heat up just a little bit. Get everything off the heat. Let it cool down a bit. A little rest. All right, let's get our egg going. Just going to do a little bit of salt and pepper on here. As you can see, got our egg going. We got some avocado oil and some butter in there. So we're just going to get this to where we can go over easy and get it on top of our steak. While we're doing that, let's get our potato unwrapped. This guy going. The potato on there. Get a little bit of butter on there. Turn that heat down a bit. Let's get a little salt on the potato, a little bit of pepper. All right, let's see if we're ready to give this a quick flip. Yep, I think so. Give that a quick flip for over easy. All right, that's about all I want. Get this right on top. I love these peppers. In fact, I'm going to get that in there just to get it warm a little bit. There you go. Here's my chuck eye baked potato. Again, a little bit of pepper. What do you think? Quick, 10 minutes, easy, easy. Appreciate you watching. Okay, love you. Bye.